Did you know Mansfield, with over 340 such features like rain gardens, swales, and permeable paving, is soaking up 58 million liters of rainwater, equivalent to 23 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Incredible, right? This is the magic of SuDS. Hi, I am Azharuddin Khan, graduate engineer at Atkins Realis. I am passionate about designing innovative, sustainable drainage systems that make our infrastructure more resilient and environmental friendly. One of the projects I am most proud of is my work on A66 NTP. My approach focused on delivering multifunctional benefits, flood mitigation, water quality improvement, and community value, all while aligning with national search standards by Syria. Thanks to susdrain Syria for having me as a finalist for this award and recognizing the efforts towards sustainability. Let's keep building a greener, more sustainable future together. Thank you.
SuDS, Sustainable Drainage Systems, are where engineering meets nature. Hi guys, I'm Satyanarayana. I'm an assistant engineer at Atkins Realis. I work mainly across the UK and Ireland regions, focusing on infrastructure drainage, designing systems that quietly protect people and places from flooding. One of the projects I've been proud to contribute is EALR, which is East Ayrshire Link Road. It's a new link road in the north of UK region that's in Scotland. I've been a key member of drainage design team working on sustainable solutions like providing attenuation ponds, ditches and oversized filter drains. Another highlight for me was the M28 tenor design. It's a major road in Ireland region which is from Cork to Ringaskiddy, where I played a key role in the drainage design, where swales were the standout feature, functional and visually green. For me, search is about designing with purpose, right? Creating systems that are resilient, sustainable, and in harmony with environment.
Hi, Tegan here from East Sussex County Council's Blue Heart team. I've had the pleasure of being the project manager for SuDS for Schools over the last 1.5 years. Having seen each installation through from idea to creation, picking a favourite SuDS feels a bit like when people describe having to pick a favourite child. But I do have a soft spot for our feature planter at Cavendish Primary School. The students we work with at the school had recently been learning about the word cascading in their English lessons, and when Blue Heart came to undertake the outdoor education and student design phases of the project, this theme of cascading shone through heavily, alongside Eastbourne-centric ideas such as boats and the seaside. Feedback such as everyone is very pleased with the new planter. Loads of positive comments have come back from parents, help demonstrate the wide reach of this co-design system.